Broadcast Media Workshop is a fast-paced, deadline-driven course offered to sophomores, juniors, and seniors with strong oral and written communication and digital media skills. Students in Broadcast Media Workshop produce the Bulldog Beat, Freedom Area High School's broadcast media program. Students enrolled in this course work independently and collaboratively to pitch story ideas, conduct interviews, and compose short-form news, features, sports, and entertainment segments using a variety of equipment and software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Final Cut Pro X, iMovie, Wirecast Studio, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Audition, Quick, and more. Students also edit written and visual content, set up, operate, and troubleshoot audio-visual equipment, and hold themselves and their classmates accountable for producing professional, high-quality student media on deadline. Here's what you can expect if you join our team. From writing and editing the script, to producing graphics and video content for the broadcast and conducting interviews, you'll hold every job in our program throughout the course of the year as jobs cycle on a rotation. Each week, you'll hold yourself accountable for the work you complete both in and out of class by submitting a weekly report to Mr. Fitzpatrick, that's me, via Google Forms. Each cycle, you'll produce news, features, sports, and entertainment content for broadcast via the Bulldog Beat YouTube channel. Each month, you'll assess your own monthly performance reflecting on your accomplishments and how you can improve in the months to come. And each quarter, you'll gradually submit your best pieces of work as you compile your own electronic portfolio. You'll even receive your own press credential that will get you sideline and courtside access to cover home athletic events, as you'll be responsible for covering at least one sport beat for the duration of that team's season. One other perk to enrollment: broadcast media students in the top 25 of their graduating classes who have been enrolled for 2 or more years in broadcast and/or print media, and who maintain at least a 3.5 GPA, will be eligible to apply for induction into Quill and Scroll, the International Honor Society for Student Journalists. First-year seniors who meet all other criteria will also be eligible to apply. Your school, your stories, your source. Broadcast Media Workshop. Welcome to the Beat.